In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a paid job post on LinkedIn. Managing your job postings is an essential part of keeping your professional profile organized and ensuring your recruiting efforts are timely and efficient. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to sign into your account. LinkedIn gives you multiple options for signing in, including using Google, Microsoft, or your email and password. For those who have two-factor authentication enabled, a smart choice for added security. LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity. This typically involves entering a code sent to your registered phone number. It's a quick but necessary step to protect your account. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top section of your LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll find various icons, but for our purpose, you need to click on the one labeled Jobs. This click takes you to the Job section of LinkedIn, which houses all your job-related activities. Now, on the left-hand side of this page, you'll spot an option labeled Manage Job Posts. Click on it to proceed. In some instances, you might be asked to log in again. This can happen if you need access to your LinkedIn Talent Solutions account, especially if your job posting duties align with LinkedIn's recruitment tools. Once logged in, you should see a detailed list of your active job postings. Take a close look through the list. This is where you need to identify the specific paid job posting you wish to close. It's crucial here to make sure you select the correct post to prevent any accidental closures of active listings. Once you've confirmed the right job post, search for an option that may read Close Job, End Job, or something akin to this, and click on it. Selecting this option allows you to deactivate the job post, rendering it invisible to potential job seekers. Upon clicking, you may encounter a confirmation prompt. It's a good idea to read this carefully, as it is designed to confirm your decision. If you're sure about closing the post, go ahead and confirm your action. And just like that, your paid job post on LinkedIn is closed. Regularly updating your job postings is key not only for administrative accuracy but also for maintaining a professional presence on LinkedIn. Keeping things current demonstrates your commitment to transparency and efficiency in your recruiting process. Thank you for watching today's video. Feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.